Welcome to another super video. Today, nobody's here, so it's only me. Today, I'm at this building that caught on fire, but you guys cannot believe what building caught on fire. Do you remember this video from a long time ago? That was made like a year ago, that I did with Titan of checking out abandoned places with him. We checked out this abandoned Nightingale Lanes and Lounge bowling center. It did look wacky first, but now look at it. One time it burned down. That was it last...
A couple weeks ago, maybe?
Couple weeks ago, yeah. Which I cannot believe how it burned down. And plus, too, the news did say there was no gas or power, yeah. And it's on Davison Road and Burton or Flint.
I don't know. This might be Burton. This is Burton.
Burton, Michigan, yeah. It's in Burton. So we're gonna be looking around it. Also promise to subscribe and like the video. Do you have anything to help us? So I'll be right back. I'm back, you guys. So here it is, the building that all caught on fire earlier. Whoa, this is not good. This looks sick. Oh no, look what happened. There's glass everywhere right there. Thank goodness we're not in there.
Oh, man.
Oh, shoot. Look at it.
What an absolutely suspicious coincidence that it burned down, right?
Yeah.
You know how much it costs to tear a building down?
What?
Lots. So, some might find it to be a little suspicious that it's naturally burned out. Oh my gosh, there's somebody over there right there.
I think he's looking at something at the building that when it caught
Don't
fire.
go that way.
Wait, can I show them the sign?
Yeah.
There's the sign way over there. You guys could see the Nightingale logo. Something happened to it. What happened to the Nightingale logo right there, Mommy?
It fell down.
It kind of fell. I wish I could have the sign. I've always...
What are you doing over there? I bet he's looking for scrap metal.
Yeah. Well, let's all